Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you friends? I hope all you will be fine. Friends, our today's topic is ELCB or RCCB breaker. Here you can see I have two ELCB RCCB breaker, which one is for single phase and other is for three phase. So today we will discuss the single phase ELCB breaker, RCD breaker or RCCB breaker. So friends, today we will discuss on single phase ELCB or RCCB breaker. Friends, first of all I will tell you about the ELCB. It means ELCB stands for Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker. You can see ELCB stands for Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker. Friends, ELCB breaker is the most important breaker in the distribution boxes. All the electric equipment must be earth. For example, switch box, fans, lights, etc. Friends, when all the electric equipment will be earthed properly, then the single phase ELCB breaker will work properly. So today we will discuss about the advantages of the ELCB breaker and also how it will be installed. So first of all we will discuss about the advantages of ELCB breaker. Number 1, when somebody get electric short, it will cut off supply automatically. Friends, it means that when anywhere there will be a problem, it will automatically cut off the supply with this button. You can see now it's on. When there will be a problem, it will go off. At number 2, it protect from earth's leakage. It means that anywhere in electric equipment, in light, in fan or any switch, there will be a little bit problem of earth leakage, it will be cut off. It will off the supply automatically. At number 3, it protect human beings and animals from the electric shock. Friends, it's most necessary breaker which using in the houses. It is the best option that we will use at homes. It prevent human beings or animals from the electric shock. Another advantages of ELCB breaker is that from this button here you can see is written T, it means test. From pushing this test button you can check the supply of your house, or you can check that the breaker is working properly or not. In the next step we will discuss that how it's work when supply coming from L. Here you can see when the supply is coming from L and it flows equally with the same current from N. When the line supply is coming from L, it will be goes back properly equally the same rate of current from the neutral N. If there is any fault occurs or current not flows back with the same current, or some current flows to the metal part of equipment, if earthing proper, it goes to earth. Here see, if the line is coming from here and it goes back, and if there is any problem occur in this area, if there is any problem or the same current is not going back with the same quantity or with the same rate, then the some part of the current will goes to the metal part or equipment. If you have put the earth properly, it will goes same to the earth without any damage to human beings or electric equipment. Because here a relay, in this side there is a relay which is directly connected to the point. Here you can see a relay which is directly connected to the point. If there is any problem, it will automatically cut off the supply here. It will automatically push off this button, and when you will want to open the supply again, it will not open yet. Rather than you will remove the fault from where you get that fault. After getting that fault and you will remove this fault, it will be manually be opened from here. Next step we have how to install. Here you can see we have two terminals. Up two terminals we have, down also we have two terminals. So your main supply coming from the meter box or from MCCB breaker will be connected here at upside. In these two terminals your wires will be connected coming from line main supply, and your load will be connected here. Here you can see friends. So two terminals up, two terminal down, line up and load from down. You can connect it with this process. So at the end note friends, I will suggest that to check monthly, to check your breaker monthly from this test button to know that your breaker is working according to order or not. So friends, here we have end our today's video. I hope you will like my video. If you like, then share my video and please subscribe my channel. So inshallah we will meet with another video. Allah Hafiz.